Hi, my name is Trueheart, also known as Kim Jin Shim. Today we're going to learn a really cool Korean idiom. 일석이조. 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 Two birds with one stone. All these words come from Hanja. Hanja is just a Chinese background that they derive from. This is an expression that everybody knows in English. It's also an expression that everybody knows in Korean. So, for you to impress your Korean friends, busting this one out is actually going to get you pretty far. Il, one, sak, rock, I, two, cho, birds. 일석이조. Here's an example on how to kill two birds with one stone. Not only is the baby eating, but the baby is sleeping at the exact same time. He's killing two birds with one stone. If you thought this Korean idiom helped you in any way, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.